2001 Ferrari. Just the standard maintenance you should do every year or two on your older Ferraris, especially if you drive them or don't drive them, just because they lose refrigerants just sitting inside your storage. This one's just going to be a drainer refill, and it looks like this one's going to be a little low, like they usually always are. And as you can see inside this place, I have no shortages of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, a Lambo, a Ferrari. Absolutely no shortage. And they all eventually need to be serviced every year or two. Because the one thing you don't want to do is let them run low on refrigerant and burn up the compressor. I could put it real mildly, you will not like the bill, even if you do have the money to afford it. But there should be nothing spectacular, just a drain and refill. Just a short clip, and I'll make a second video of the short clip after it's running.